Simply put, Trunited is an online platform that helps you capitalize on your monthly buying power by turning it into savings and earnings. Sign up for free and start earning compensation for every purchase you make. It's that easy. And because Trunited is connected to a who's list of retailers, restaurants, and national brands, as well as hand-selected consumable brands who have top-selling products on Amazon, you don't even have to change your purchasing habits. Trunited has done the work for you. We have created a juggernaut platform with thousands of new members joining monthly and connected them to these eager and loyal brands who have correctly answered the following question: how much will you pay us to buy your product? You don't know this yet, but you have one thing that every brand and company wants. You have purchasing power, and harnessing that power along with thousands of others has big value. You and I aren't nearly as powerful as us together. You know how loyalty and rebate programs work. Airlines provide frequent flyer miles, credit cards offer cash back to incentivize spending, a sandwich shop gives you a punch card so you get your 11th sub for free. Socialized commerce, powered by Trunited, takes that concept and puts it on steroids. So instead of earning rewards the 2 times per year that you fly somewhere, or getting 1% back for using a credit card that will turn right around and charge you 15% interest in the end, you can start earning something for every purchase you make on a monthly basis. It's just buying your monthly goods in a smarter way, a way that allows you to benefit from your buying power like never before. All you have to do is log in, shop, and start earning. No minimums, no fees, no hassles. Click on a link to one of Trunited's myriad national brand partners and shop on those brands' online sites. There is no difference in the process, except that you are now being rewarded for your brand loyalty. Where do you think you'll shop this week? We've even created a way for you to buy a gift card to your favorite store, earn points back, and then take that card and spend it online with that retailer and earn again. Find out how this works and more. Browse the Point Store for simple, inexpensive items you use in your daily life, or connect to premium affiliate brands that offer amazing products with earnings of up to 70% for each purchase. Order flowers for your loved ones, get energy drinks, household cleaners, and daily vitamins delivered to your door with free delivery. Enjoy high-end beauty products at great prices and receive unparalleled earnings back for doing so. Buy your groceries and fill up your car with gas and go out to eat with your family the same amount you already are this month, and then enjoy the earnings to get huge discounts on all of those things next month, and the month after that, and the month after that. It's a new way of doing business that turns the tables on businesses and finally rewards you for your considerable buying power. It's commerce for the people, by the people. A nation of consumers coming together for the common good. A Trunited nation. Divided we fall. Trunited we stand. Join for free today.